I'm Joe Johnson. I'm the instructor here for the .NET course. The thing I enjoy most about teaching is the personal connection I make with each and every one of my students. It's really neat to spend time with each of them and kind of get to know them as people and see them grow over the course. 9:30 in the morning, we're starting off with either a morning challenge, recapping the concepts from the previous day. We go into typically a morning lecture after that. In the afternoon, we typically have another lecture where I introduce some additional concept, and then we have an evening problem or challenge for them, and they can work on that here, or they can take that home and ask me questions via Slack. So there's a lot of employers that recognize that this is a good investment to make. A lot of companies would otherwise not take a chance on these folks, and nowadays they're saying, well, hey, this person is probably as good as a typical four-year college graduate with a computer science degree. I think as a software developer, the most important thing is to really never stop learning. If you don't keep your skills relevant, you might have a job today, but you're not necessarily going to have a job in 5 years. If you're committing yourself to a life and a career as a software developer, you are basically signing up for constantly pushing yourself and learning new things. Once you're a graduate of this program, you're welcome back for life.